Hi guys, hope you are doing awesome. So today's video guys, I'm gonna show you of course how you can create your legal setting or pages. Okay, so let's get started. So once you are here guys in your Shopify dashboard, of course you need to come down here and click on setting. Okay, then in your right here as you see legal, I need you to click of course on legal. Okay, legal pages guys is very important because it makes of course our store much more professional and trustful. Okay, as you see legal pages, there are refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service and shipping policy. If this is the first time to hear about this, I know that you may seen such of course pages around of course many websites or stores, so it makes your store very powerful, trustful and professional, as I have mentioned before. Okay, when it comes of course to legal pages, of course thanks to Shopify, because he provides us with some templates that we can use. And of course if you are a beginner to this business, of course you can of course use this template as you see here. If you don't have of course any idea about what you have to write here, you just need to click on create from template, and you will have of course the ability to use this template, of course the Shopify template. They are guys very useful, you can use them to your Shopify, of course they are beneficial. Okay, and of course about privacy policy, if you don't have any idea how you can write it as well, the only thing that you have to do is to use Shopify template, create from template, and you will have it here. Okay, and the same thing about terms of service and about shipping policy. It depends on your business guys, because it depends on, for example, for how long for example you ship to your customer, I mean you ship product to your customer and so on and so forth. Okay, so you must be aware to write such stuff of course yourself. So I know that you are of course beginner to this business guys, and I believe so of course. So I am of course coming with great ideas that will help you of course guys. So if you don't like for example this template, or you find it hard of course, I mean you don't like them or something like that, or about for example shipping policy, you don't have or you don't know what to write there, for example, the only thing that you have to do guys, I have one way for you, is to come to Google for example and click and check of course for exchange. Here it is guys, for exchange marketplace.com. okay, exchange marketplace guys is very famous of course here, where people or other business people sell their stores for example. So we will have an idea about how their products later on are, how they design their store for example. So we will spy on them later on, but now we will spy just only about some stuff about of course legal pages. If this is the first time you heard about legal pages and and of course you don't have any idea about what you can write there, so this is the right place for you. You can check other people's stores to have an idea. Okay, so there are multiple stores here that you can check out guys. Later on I need you of course to take some time here and check of course till you find a good of course store, or that you find it very useful to use its legal pages. Okay, to save just only much more time here guys, I have only selected one of the stores that I find very helpful for you. Okay, here it is guys. You just only need to type of course explore workplay.co. okay, again explore workplay.co, and you will be around this store. Okay, and then the only thing that you have to do guys, pay attention. Okay, you have to scroll down. Okay, and here where you can find everything about legal pages, because I have read all these legal pages that you see here, and I found them very useful and very professional. For example, let's check about shipping policy, how of course this store write about such stuff. For example, as you see here, for USA and Europe, from 10 to 15 days. I mean the shipment is ship for example from or between 10 to 15 days. For Canada and Australia, for example, between the ship of course product from 15 to 20 days. About the rest of the world, from 20 to 13 days. Okay, and there are some other stuff here that you need to take into consideration. As I have told you before, you need to take some time around here so as of course to get an idea about legal pages, and of course guys, so as of course to write good, I mean legal pages that are professional, to attract of course your customer and to make them of course sure that they are in the right store. Okay, so that's all about this video guys. Okay, and I hope that of course you have learned some useful stuff. Okay, and see you of course in the next video. Bye bye guys.